channel. It's Rose again here. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be talking about the soap I use. Just to give you more information about my current skin routine and what I'm using particularly. For this particular soap, is not something I just started using. It's something I've used years ago. Something about me that I do is the fact that I might use a product. It might be good on my skin, but I stop and I use something else. Apart from the fact that I like to try products. Another thing is, with me, over the years, I've gotten to understand my skin. It gets used to a product and then it stops working. Some of you will testify to that it happens to you also. And then sometimes you buy the first product and it works. You buy the second one, it works. You buy the third one, boom. And then you're saying, oh, I must have gotten the fake. It's not working, this, that. You try a fourth one, the same thing. So you might understand what I'm trying to say actually, okay? But I've used this particular soap years back and I've just returned to it again, if I can put it that way. So it's something I've been using for some time now and I really like it. I've always liked it. In fact, it has never failed me. There's never been a time I bought a batch and it didn't work actually. All right, so if you like to know the soap I'm talking about and you like to find out more about it, I would implore you to sit and watch this video, okay? But before I get into the details, have you subscribed, guys? Please subscribe. All you need to do is to click the subscribe button and you'll be part of this wonderful family, okay? Please don't forget to like the video, okay? Don't forget to thumbs up the video, please guys, okay? So let's get into the video now. So the soap I'm going to be talking about today is this fair and white soap. Okay? I'm very sure most of you would have seen it because it's a very old soap. I think all these ones were out before the So White and all the other collections, okay? But this here, right here, is the best soap that I like out of all fair and white collection. All right, so I just want to put a disclaimer out there. This video is not sponsored. It's not a sponsored video. I'm not sponsored to talk about this fair and white product. It's something I use and I've used before. I've used for like years and I really love it. Okay, so this is the way the packaging is. Like all other fair and white products, it's made in Paris. If you can try and lay your hands on the original, then you will love it. Okay, if you lay your hands on fair and white original product, most of their products is really nice. So if you open up the pack, when you get it, if you open up the pack for this particular one, I'm already using it. So what I have half in my bathroom and I have the remaining half in here. So it's a big bar of soap. I don't know if you can see it properly. It's got like, let me take it out. So if you take a look at it, you'll see some black dots on it. Okay, the soap, it's an exfoliating soap. So it's got some ingredients in it to help with exfoliation. All right, and that will help to get rid of dead skin cells. See, I always tell you, anything you're using, any cream you're using, anything you're using, a brightening serum, you're using anything on your skin, if you want it to work effectively, you need to exfoliate. So better still, I would advise you get a good exfoliating product. If you can't get a good exfoliating product, like a scrub, preferably a body scrub, you need, every lady should have a body scrub at least twice in a week. Try to do the body scrubbing. Even if it's just once a week, you can do it, but try. It would help your products to penetrate better. I've actually talked about this in one of my videos. I'm going to link that video below. I'll try to also put a card up here so you can click and watch it and understand the benefits of exfoliating. I think I also talked about an exfoliating scrub in that video. Okay, you can watch that video to learn more about it. Now, apart from that once a week exfoliation, you can always try to use an exfoliating soap. This is mine. This is what I use. Okay, this is what I make use of, and I love this soap. I need to see. Okay, it's really nice. The smell is amazing. Fair and White has that. They've got that when it comes to fragrance with their products. For me, it's lovely. Okay, then when it comes to exfoliating, this particular soap actually does it. Tell you not to use it on your face. Why? It's because of those exfoliating beads on it. It might be harsh on the face and it can cause irritation to the face. Okay, but it's fine for the body. So when you use it, you would feel it. You know when you're using the product and you can feel the effects, you feel happier. You know that something is actually happening. All right, that's what you get with this soap. Most people, I see most reviews, most people use the Fair and White exclusive whitenizer or something like that, the blue one in the blue pack, and then people use the So White, the one that looks like the pink one. People use that. Okay, that also, I've tried both of them, especially the So White bar soap. But for me personally, I still prefer this one. I still prefer this one. I just hope Fair and White keeps it in the market and keeps, making it. I like this one. Not to say that the blue one doesn't work or the So White one doesn't work. They all work. Something about Fair and White's product is you need to be patient to use their product. You need to be extremely patient to be able to see results with their product. If you're looking for something that is fast action, my dear, don't come near Fair and White. It's not fast action. It's slow and steady, and that's why some people use it and they'll tell you it doesn't work. It does. And another thing is the fact that there's so much fake. There's so much fake. This issue of fake is why people actually run away from some products, because when some products have a lot of fake, then you buy this, is fake, you buy this, it doesn't work. You get tired of the product and then you start looking for a new one to make use of. All right, so those are actually the issues. But for soaps, you need other products with it. It's like your cream. I've talked about scrubs and stuff like that. Your toner, your cleanser. You need things to work with it. So you can't just use the soap and expect miracle work. Everything has to work hand in hand. So I'm thinking about doing my skincare routine video for you guys. I'm not so sure of when I'll be able to put that up, but I'm gonna try. I'll try to put that up. In fact, if you would like to see the skincare routine video, then I want us to give this video 1,000 likes. Okay, I want us to give this video 1,000 likes, and at the same time I also want you to drop your comments in the comment section to let me know if you want me to go ahead and do the skincare routine video, so that you can see the whole set of everything that I use on my skin. This was just a quick review to show you guys the soap that I'm making use of at the moment, to share with you guys as usual. So for me, it's a Tom Brand white soap. I would advise you to make use of it. So if you've made use of the soap in the past, or you're making use of the soap right now, and you have an experience you'd like to share with us, good or bad, please go ahead and drop the information in the comment section below. Share with us and let us know. All right, if you like, you make use of this soap and you're thinking of where to get a good one, I'm gonna try and drop the link to where I buy mine. I will drop it in the description box below. So just click on the link and go ahead and purchase the product if you're interested in trying it out. Okay, and if you want to get it, you can go to any of the beauty stores. They should have Fair and White products. You can go in there and purchase the product and try it. Your skin is different from mine. I might have a lovely effect from the soap, and you might not like it when you use it, but I'm sure if you give it a try, you would understand what I'm saying about the product. The product is wonderful. The product is, I love it. I love it. All right, so thank you so much for watching the video today. Remember, we have other reviews coming up. Okay, I'm going to be loading more and more videos, so you need to turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. All right, please kindly subscribe to my channel, kindly like and share this video. Okay, if you have questions for me, drop them in the comment section below and I'll be here to answer it. Okay, until I see you in my next video, it's bye for now. Actually, my bathing soap. Are you yet to subscribe? I need to say it again. I love this soap. All right, thank you so much for joining me on this particular video today.